Thanks for checking out my cooking channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new Thai cookbook called the Thai Cookbook. Wicked Wild Thailand. There's over 300 pages, 370 pages of beautiful recipes and stories of my life out in Thailand. Yeah, easy to follow recipes with a 45 cooking video series to go with it on YouTube. And they're released twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays from now until early next year. So it keeps you happy and enticed, and it's not all out in one go. I'd like to thank those folks who have purchased this book already. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to get out there and send us some reviews on Amazon, because when you click on Thai Cookbook, this comes up at the top of the list on Amazon now. So thanks a lot for the support. I really appreciate that. But the reviews are really important. Yeah, sales all over the place: New Zealand, Australia, Asia, Europe, UK, US, and here in Saint Lucia on the Caribbean. So thank you very much, folks, for your support. It's really appreciated. Stay tuned for some wonderful giveaways. I'm Ian Sherlock, and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. Purchase the book, send me the receipt to the email on the screen. Okay, I'll enter you into my Facebook Live lottery system, and once I get our first 100 purchases, I'll do a lottery live Facebook thingy, right? So third prize will be anything under $20 from my chef shop sent to you. Second prize, anything under $30, and the first prize will be anything under $50 sent to you wherever you are. After that, your name goes back into the lottery system, so you keep on winning. I win, you win, right? That's the game. Anything after that, 500 purchases, I'll ump up the game. Now here's the big grand prize. Third place, $500 cash sent to you wherever. Second prize, $1,000 sent to you wherever you are. And the first big grand prize is as follows. Yes, a trip, a vacation to Saint Lucia on me. Doesn't matter where you come from, I'll fly you in. You'll stay at the St. James Club, a wonderful, beautiful, exotic resort on the island. All inclusive. Yes, all inclusive, folks. That means the booze, the drink, the food, the booze, the drink. It's all on me too, right? And I'll show you around my island. That's a nice, wonderful little gift for your support. Thank you so much. If you're living on the island and you buy the book and you win, I won't send you down the road. That wouldn't be fair, would it? So the same applies to you for a wonderful trip down to Jamaica. So folks, don't forget, purchase a book, send me the receipt. Yeah. Put a review for me on Amazon. It's really, really important. Yeah. Thanks for your support. And don't forget to subscribe to my social media and my YouTube channel to keep appraised. Thanks so much, appreciate it. Thanks for the support, and bon appetit.